Canva templates have become the go-to solution for anyone looking to create digital files, whether they want to save time or lack design skills. From wedding invitations and business materials to home decor and planners, there's a Canva template for just about everything. And here's the best part: selling Canva templates offers an incredible opportunity for passive income. You create the template once, set it up as an instant download, and watch it sell over and over again, all without lifting another finger to fulfill orders. Build a shop full of these templates, and you've created a steady stream of income for yourself. But getting started can feel overwhelming. From learning how to create the templates to setting them up to sell, it might seem intimidating at first. That's why in this video, I'm walking you through the entire process, step by step, from idea to finished product. Let's dive in. Step 1. Conduct market research. The first step is figuring out what type of template you want to sell. Head over to Etsy and search for Canva Template. You'll see thousands of results, from social media bundles to email newsletters, financial templates, and more. Here's how to narrow it down. Use Etsy's predictive search suggestions. For example, type in Canva template for, and let Etsy show you trending searches like small business or coaching workbooks. Take inspiration from listings with badges like bestseller or Etsy's pick. These are templates that sell consistently. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. For instance, you could ask, what are 20-page ideas for a coaching workbook template? It might suggest pages like goal setting, habit trackers, or action plans. Pick and choose what works best for your template. Step 2. Decide on style elements. Once you know what type of template you want to create, it's time to decide on your style. Choose a color scheme. Limit it to 3 to 4 complementary colors for a cohesive look. Pick 2 to 3 fonts that pair well together. Decide on graphic elements or textures that align with your theme. For example, a minimalist vibe might include neutral tones and clean lines, while a boho style might feature earthy colors and floral patterns. Remember, consistency is key. Your design should feel cohesive from start to finish. Step 3. Create your template in Canva. Now it's time to get hands-on with Canva. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Select your canvas size based on the type of template you're making, for example, US letter for workbooks. Start designing your pages. If you're creating a workbook, start with a title page, then add an About Me page, goal-setting sections, or whatever fits your niche. Use Canva's free elements and fonts to avoid requiring your customers to pay extra for Canva Pro features. Apply filters to only use free assets. Pro tip: duplicate pages to create a consistent layout and save time. Customize each page to make the template unique and valuable. Step 4. Create a deliverable PDF file. Once your template is ready, you need to create a deliverable file for your customers. Go to Canva's Shared button and click Template link to generate a unique link for your template. Open a new Canva project to design a README PDF that includes instructions for accessing and editing the template, your branding, a clickable link embedded in the document that takes customers directly to their editable Canva template. Make sure to download this PDF as PDF standard, not flattened, so all links remain clickable. Step 5. Create mockups for your listing. To attract buyers, you need professional-looking images of your product. Purchase mockups from platforms like Creative Market, Etsy, or Creative Fabrica. Upload the mockup files into Canva. Use Canva frames to drag and drop your template pages into the mockups, showcasing them in a polished and professional way. Customize the mockups by adjusting colors, text, or layouts to fit your branding. Download the mockup images individually for use in your listing. Step 6. List your template for sale. Now it's time to set up your shop. Go to your sales platform, e.g., Etsy. Choose Digital Product and upload your deliverable PDF. Once your listing is live, the hard work is done. Your template is ready to sell as a passive income product. All that's left is to promote your listings on social media. Respond to customer messages or questions. Keep track of your sales and reviews to improve future listings. Creating and selling Canva templates is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to earn passive income. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas. Remember, success comes from action. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results.